Oh, fuck. Well, I'm in the car, and I've come to McDonald's to get their peppermint fudge McFlurry. And in a shufflecock, I got two. I got two of them. But in the process, I also got the brand new Carolina barbecue quarter pounder with cheese. And some fries. You got some fries? Welcome back to Have a White Christmas. Let's get a thumbnail. This is the start of the show. I get embarrassed doing this in public. But why? Embarrassment doesn't exist. So fuck them. I think that's a thumbnail. Okay. Let's just try this. Last time I got one, it was no fudge in it. Oh, fuck, that's good. Man, oh man, that's fucking good. Dang old steering wheel in the way. Some fries. I locked the car. I have to pick up this call. Resume film later. Alright, well, I had to... Melted, do you want that one? I had to change spots. So we're gonna just restart. Alright, took a bite. And it's all cold now. It's so good. Oh, my coffee. Man, my mukbangs keep getting worse and Keith's still get better. Oh. It's a tasty burger. I'll try to stay in the light. Well, the fries are cold now, so they're pretty much unedible. Still got the rest of my McFlurry, though. A little melty, but it's still good. This fucking McFlurry is good. A lot of cars up here for the park to be closed. It is December 22nd right now, and it just started snowing. So that'll really date when, this will really time when I was doing this. It was a weird mukbang. We're almost nearing Christmas. With this video, when you're watching this, there are it's the 22nd today. So when you're seeing this, it is December 23rd. It's Friday, December 23rd. So after this, there are only 2 videos left. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, because the next 2 are going to be amazing. Excuse me. You can also email us at earthsuckhole@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out Keith Perry's channel called Soapworthy Productions, where he does crazy soap grind videos where he wears these epic grind shoes. And he does like sick rail grinds just with his shoes. Also check out Lights Out Entertainment on Spotify. And is there anything else I may have forgotten? Oh yeah. Go fuck yourself. Okay, bye.